In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make thumbnail for YouTube with glow light effect in Canva. We'll build a clean eye-catching thumbnail that pops on mobile and desktop, and I'll walk you through every setting so you know exactly what to tweak for your style. Start by opening Canva and clicking Create. Choose Custom Size, then type in 1280 by 720 pixels. That's the recommended YouTube thumbnail resolution. So your image will look crisp without getting cropped. Upload your photo and place it on the canvas. If you have Canva Pro, use the background remover to isolate your subject so the glow effect stands out. A clean cutout helps separate you from the background and instantly boosts readability. If you don't see background remover, just use a photo with a simple contrasting background so the glow still reads clearly. Next, click your image and choose Edit Photo. Go to Effects, then open Shadows and select Glow. This is the core of the light effect. Now customize it. For color, pick something bright, like white, yellow, or light blue. These tones read well on screens and create that neon aura. Set the size between 7 and 15 to make the halo visible without overpowering your subject. Adjust the blur based on the vibe you want. Around 0 to 5 gives a sharp neon outline, great for a techie or gamer look. Between 50 and 100 creates a soft hazy glow that feels more cinematic. Finally, set intensity or transparency to 100% so the light feels strong and vibrant. You can always dial it back later if your background is already bright. To push the glow even further, add background light. In Elements, search for light flare, neon, or lens flare. Drag a few options onto your canvas and position them behind your subject, so it looks like the light is actually being emitted. Place them near the edges of your subject for a convincing rim light, and rotate or resize until they feel natural. If a flare sits on top by default, use the positioning controls to send it backward. For final touches, add bold, contrasting text that's short and easy to read at a glance. Keep it large, avoid covering your face or key details, and choose colors that stand out from the background and your glow. When you are happy, save your design as a PNG for high quality. This keeps edges sharp and colors vibrant, which is essential for thumbnails. That's it. Thanks for watching.